Hey guys, what's up? Why am I so freaking awkward at intros? Yeah. Oh god. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I am blonde. Yeah, so that's a thing. I was with my friends in New York and we were all sitting around and we were like, we should do something spontaneous. And for some reason, I'm like the guinea pig for spontaneousness in this group. And originally I was gonna get a tattoo of this song that I've been working on. And then we literally, guys, we called in no less than probably 20 tattoo shops and none of them had an opening for like, we wanted to get it like now and none of them could take walk-ins at the moment. So we just felt like it wasn't meant to be. So instead, the boys poured bleach on my head and now I'm blonde. But let's get to the real reason why I'm making the video this week, and that is that I got a brand new friend. Say hello. Oh wow. You guys have probably seen this beautiful silver beauty in my latest Instagram post, and it is courtesy of Everyday Wigs. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I love changing up my hair, and this is like the perfect way to do it. But before putting on this wig, I felt like I couldn't do it in a way that looked like pretty natural. So I want to show you guys after all my research, so you guys don't have to research it if you get a wig, how I now put on wigs. And without further ado, you ready, you ready, you ready? Okay, let's go. First thing you gotta get is some supplies. You need a hair dryer, which I don't have in my hands at the moment, but grab a hair dryer. I got some Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. So you have to do it like a beauty guru. And then you just gotta take it, swatch it. It's so sticky, it's so nice. And then I used two wig caps because my hair just like literally goes everywhere. So I have two. Today I'm not gonna be braiding my hair to put the wig caps on. I'm just gonna be doing like little bun things. So two of those. You gotta get your wig brush so you can brush out your wig. So to start this out, we're just gonna kind of do a little brush thing. Just make sure it's all fluffy and cute and not tangled. Aw, precious, wow. We're gonna take our hair things, separate your hair into two sections. So I'm gonna go for kind of the middle part here. By the way, guys, my hair isn't done being bleached yet. It's kind of like in the middle stage. Because when they originally bleached my hair, I thought that you were supposed to wrap it in foil. I still don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. But like my brain was like, put it in tin foil while it's baking. And I was like, okay. So I literally, like, they were like, that doesn't sound like a good idea. And I was like, no, listen, like, this is what you're supposed to do, I promise. So they wrapped foil around it, and we're sitting, and it's been like 15 minutes since the bleach was on, and Maze is looking at the back of my head, and he's like, Grace, you're smoking. And I was like, thanks. And he was like, no, like your hair's on fire. And I was like, what? And literally, guys, steam was just like coming off my hair. Like my hair was on fire. So I freaked out. I'm trying to like dunk my head in the sink. It was actually terrifying. But I don't know, after half my hair fell out, I'm growing to like it. But guys, so much of my hair came out in like chunks. It was so scary. Also, I have a lot of layers now that I didn't have before. Okay, so we got like cute little space buns going on that are easy to like push down. Like if you got them doing this whole thing, we're like Leia style. Okay, ha ha ha. Then actually I'm gonna do this one first. So I do my netted one first. I'm just gonna kind of put that around. Bam, sister, just like that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that glow, baby. Ooh. Do the same thingamajiggy. Also, I almost shaved my head like 6 times in the past couple weeks. kind of feeling my Britney Spears moment is coming up. It's coming fast. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of this Got2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, and we're gonna put it kind of around my hairline. Don't put it directly on your hairline because it does get really sticky and you don't want it to like pull out your hair or like bug you when the wig is on. Wig? Did I say wig? I don't know. So you're gonna kind of put a pretty heavy layer, that wasn't enough, around your hairline. Do like one of these. And normally I would like put down some baby hairs with this, but I mean that's like what I was doing when my hair was brown. But since it's blonde, that's just gonna look a little whack because dark roots. But if you have dark hair, or I guess whatever, close to the roots color of your wig, then you're gonna wanna take some of your baby hairs out and just kind of lay them right here. So your hairline will be straight across. And it'll look more natural. Now, after that, we're gonna take a trip to the bathroom. Let's go. What you guys are gonna wanna do is take your hairdryer, put it on a warm setting, and just kind of go over where you put the gel just to make it tacky and so the wig will stay. I feel like a dog in a car. So guys, as you can see, there's this thing right here and it just kind of clips and unclips. I like to already have it clipped. And it's at the back of your wig. And then in here, oh, I have a bobby pin from like the last time I wore it, low-key. In here you have these two clips on either side. They look like this. And then you have one in the front. So, what you're gonna do is you are going to put that long clip I showed you first at the bottom of your nape and pull the wig down over it. And then kind of flip up. But now we're gonna adjust. So, pull this over where you put the glue. Just a little bit like that. And then make sure it's stuck everywhere. On the sides. Yay! And I did kind of put a side part to it that we're gonna use. Because I don't like wigs that are straight down the middle. I like them to kind of have a little side thing going on. Pull it a little to the side. And guys, remember, if you have darker hair, normally you would have like little baby hairs coming through right here because of the way you laid them. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna like just brush it out a little bit. Make sure it's laying down the way you want it to lay down. And here you guys can see the back of it. Oh, so cute, so precious. Yes, girl, rock it. So yeah, I will leave the link down below where you guys can find, this particular wig so we can be twins. I love it. Every time one of my friends has been coming over lately, they've literally been trying this one on. It is literally like such a look. And I'm so bad at existo. Oh, well. So thank you again. Big shout out to Everyday Wigs. You guys are awesome. You can find the link to this particular wig and kind of explore their site down below, as well as their Instagram. They were so awesome for sending me this, and I love them, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, I love you. You matter. Deuces.